So guys, let's make this yummy cabbage sauce. Okay, so in today's video we'll be making cabbage sauce. If today is the first day you're coming across my channel, my name is Lucy Shoma. Okay, consider subscribing and don't forget to like this video. So let's dive into this video. Okay, into the pot I have red oil. I've just added salt. Okay, so right now the next ingredient to add is chopped onion. Okay, so I will be adding chopped onion into the oil. Okay, so after adding the chopped onion, I'm gonna stir together. Okay, after stirring, I will allow it to dry a bit, okay, before coming in with the next ingredients. Okay, so it is time to come in with next ingredients. Okay, so what I have here is seasoning cubes. Okay, so I'll be adding the seasoning cube into the pot. So I come in with curry and thyme and spice it. Okay, so I will stir together. Remember, I didn't finish them, so I will still add the remaining thyme and curry. Okay, so stir together, stir very well, give it a quick stir. So after stirring, you allow it to dry a bit before the next ingredient. Okay, so the next thing I will be adding is chopped tomatoes. Okay, yes, chopped tomatoes. What is cabbage sauce without fresh tomatoes? Okay, yeah, so we're gonna add fresh tomatoes, add and stir together. So I noticed that there is water in the tomatoes, so I went to drain the water so that the water won't be washed inside the oil. Yeah, if you notice, I didn't add all the tomatoes at once. Okay, yeah, just trying to drain the water in the tomatoes. So here I come in with the remaining tomatoes. Okay, so gonna give it a quick stir together and allow it to dry, and come back later with the next ingredients. Okay, please don't forget to thumbs up the video. So now I'm back with the next ingredients, which is carrots. So I will be adding chopped carrots into the pot. Okay, so after adding the chopped carrots, I will stir together. Yeah, give it a quick stir. But please, if by now if you have not liked this video for me, please do me a favor by clicking on the like button to like this video. That will help YouTube to push my video to large audience. Okay, so let's proceed. So after adding the chopped onion, chopped carrots, so I noticed that there was not enough pepper into the sauce, so I come in with blended pepper, fresh pepper. Okay, so I stir together and allow them to dry a bit before coming in with the next ingredients. Okay, so the next ingredients I'm coming in with is crayfish. Okay, so this is optional. If you don't have crayfish in your house and you want to prepare cabbage sauce, you are free. And if you have, you can add it. Okay, it has its own taste. Okay, so stir together, stir very well, and allow it to dry a bit before coming in with the next ingredients. Okay, so here is the next ingredient, which is cabbage. Remember, we are making cabbage sauce. Okay, so I just added cabbage and I'm giving it a quick stir. So now I'm coming in with the remaining curry and thyme. Okay, yeah, so after adding them, I still give it a quick stir very well so that everything can combine together. So the next thing I come in with is chicken. So I'm using chicken to make this cabbage sauce. Okay, so I'm also giving it a quick stir very well so that the taste of everything will enter into the chicken. So now I am coming in with all the beans, green bean, red beans, red bell, the bells, green red bell, green pepper, yellow pepper, and red bell pepper. Okay, so what is me making cabbage sauce without all the bells? So I'm gonna stir together. Okay, after stirring together, I come in with chicken stock, okay, to give it that chicken taste. Okay, so I'm stirring together again. So yeah, so after some minutes I come back to check the sauce, and I notice that this sauce is looking so yummy. Okay, so please, by now, if you have watched up to this level and you have not given this video like, please do well to like. And if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe on the red subscribe button to become part of this family. So by now our cabbage sauce is ready. You can have this with rice, spaghetti, yam, pasta. Okay, so I will see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.